Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're playing you know, drawing the paint in Google. The reason why I have Google, so I'll be spinning wheel. So I just have to go in and see what I get because I write all these things here. Let's see what we get. Please give me good things. Ooh, Fortnite. I kinda like that game. Yes, Fortnite. Now I just have to join. Since Fortnite looks like Facebook, I'm gonna draw it with bluish background. But I have to use light blue because it looks like Facebook. Goofy. Wait for night copying other things. Okay, just have to do this. Also write the F. Wait. Okay, that's easy. F. It's not a cap. It's capital F. Okay, now let's see it. Okay. Oh, this is the logo. Fortnite. I thought it was only F. Um, what does this say? Oh, I thought it says Fortnite. Don't be cringe. Okay, next thing. Kaboom. Now we're back. Wait, why is the Xbox like this? Okay, now X. The reason why I got cringe Roblox is because it's difficult to try the new one. So I use the old. I'm gonna get the old for seeing that. Yes, I got the old version. By the way, I have different YouTubers. I show ya and Mr. Beast. And also me too, because I'm included, right? Okay, now it just and I have to release Fortnite. Sorry, Fortnite, but you're in delicious. Wait, imagine Fortnite have this. Like, Fortnite, yo. Oh, wait, that looks like a very really cute. Wario. Okay, now I just have to like make the. I don't need the eraser. What do you mean, cringe? Okay, I just have to lower this up. Wait, what was my character again? Oh my god, I got myself. Oh, so I got myself. Okay. Let's try to get the color. Since my background is red because I like red so much, fill the background with red. Imagine Among Us have this because red is in the yellow screen right now. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. We are not doing this again. Okay, you know what? Kaboom! Okay, this is what I look like. Tell me in the comments. You know, this cringe. Okay, bye. Now I need to spin the wheel. If I got the same things again, I have to restart. Let's see where we get. Olympics. Oh, never mind, my God. Since it's so hard to draw Minecraft. Oh, this will be hard. Okay, you know what? Oh, no. Boom! That was it. I forgot to draw this. Please tell me in the comments if this fine. I keep on saying that. Okay, you know what? Next. Okay, now I need another one. If I got the same one, remember, I have to repeat, okay? Let's see what we get. MSM, my favorite game. Oh wait, I forgot. Mammoth is so hard to draw. I have to remove this. Sorry, Minecraft. My most favorite game, and now I have to erase you. Tin, 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 chin, 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 cringe. Okay. This looks like cake at steak. Okay, no, never mind. Okay, now let's kaboom! Okay, never mind. We're letting you mammoth. On to the next one. Okay, now I just have to spin it. Okay. Last time I was so quiet, okay? Joke. I wasn't quiet. Oh, I thought we landed on MSM. We got puppy playtime. Okay. Okay, I have to erase this little mammoth. Or my dreams, I'll turn you into yellow. It's because it looks like Among Us. Among Us. Chin, 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 chin. Chin, 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 chin. Oh wait, forgot this too. Okay, now, wait. Oh, puppy playtime. Yes, have to draw the hole. I need a perfect scale. Oh, wait, that's a perfect scale. Not gonna lie. Eh, wait, I need pencil. Pencil from BFDI. Okay, not. Oh, I'm doing this very well. Oh, never mind. Okay, sorry, I'll too quiet. Okay, just have to like do this. Wait, is this a puppy playtime logo? Looks like it. Okay, on to the next one. Wait, I have to go. Help me! Help! Help me! Help me! What? Oh, I'm fine. Okay, back to feet spinning. Okay, I have 14x. Please don't tell me. Xbox? That's the hardest thing. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, you know what? Wait. Oh, this may be easy. You wish this. I can manage. Wait. Excuse me. Okay, now I just have to like. Wait, what is the. What did I get? Oh, Xbox. Okay, now I get it. Just have to like. Okay, I can't remember. I have to make around this circular thing. But if you're seeing this, send this to your friend, bro. Okay, okay, this is my Xbox. How's it? Looks like real Xbox. I'm not gonna lie. Looks like X, and a B. Oh, Xbox. So there's four letters. That's why XBOX. That's how it represents. Now on to the next one. Tell me when you want part two. Bye. Because it's like 8 minutes.